everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create a BeReal account for yourself. Now to begin the process, open the application that you have downloaded from the Google Play Store. Once you're at the home page, you keep tapping on continue and it will get you to the home page of BeReal. Now to create an account, you need to first type in the name over here. Tap on continue. Provide the date of birth. Tap on continue. You need to type in your phone number for this. So tap on the country code at first and choose your country code. Then type in your phone number. Then tap on continue. Now a code will be sent to the mobile number of yours. You need to type in that code on this empty text box. There's the code. You copy this code over here and paste it on there. Now with that, you will need to create a username for your account. Type in your username. Then tap on continue. This username is already in use, so you need to type in or provide a different username. I'm just gonna make a few changes over here. Tap on continue. And with that, you have created your account. Now what you need to do is click on the notification. You need to allow BeReal to take pictures and record video. Tap on allow. And with that, you can record a video and upload it on the BeReal application. So this is how you can create your BeReal application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.